How to delete Grab application on your mobile. Are you guys facing issues to delete Grab application on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to delete your application, just hold the app for a second. After you hold it, you can see the option for remove app, require face ID, share, and edit home screen. You are looking to remove the app, right? Select the first option. Now click on delete app. Again click on delete. As soon as you click on delete, your app will instantly delete it from your device. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to delete Grab application on our iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.